How to stay away from junk foods when junk food is everywhere. Yes, junk food is everywhere. At home, at work, at parties, even at school events. It's tough. But what makes it even harder is when your own family doesn't want to change. They love their chips, cookies, and fast food. And then your friends, they're throwing parties loaded with everything you're trying to avoid: pizza, soda, cupcakes. You feel like an alien when you say no, and it's hard to say no. Temptations are everywhere, and saying no can seem impossible. But here's the good news. You can stay on track even when your environment works against you. Here are 5 simple things you can do to stick to your healthy eating goals. Tip 1. Keep junk out of sight. If your family members aren't ready to give up their snacks, that's okay, but keep them out of your sight. Designate a separate drawer, cabinet, or even better, put it in their room or the garage. Out of sight, out of mind really works, for both you and them. Tip 2. Make healthy foods visible. Keep your healthy choices easy to see and reach. Leave a bowl of fresh fruit on the kitchen counter. Keep washed veggies, salads, or cut fruits at the front of the fridge. When you're hungry, what you see first is what you'll likely eat. Tip 3. Shop smart. Choose healthier alternatives. If you're the one shopping for the family, sneak in some healthier options. Shop for less processed, lower calorie alternatives like air-popped popcorn, baked snacks, or flavored sparkling water instead of soda. Tip 4. Pack smart for parties. Before heading to a party, have a small meal or pack your own healthy dish. That way you're not arriving starving and tempted to grab everything in sight. Bring a salad, protein bowl, or even a small smoothie. You'll feel full and in control. Tip 5. It's okay to skip some parties. Let's be honest, is every food-focused event worth the stress? If a party is all about food that doesn't support your goals, it's okay to skip it. Choose your social time wisely. Your health is more important than one night of awkward small talk and empty calories. Tip 6. Eat smart. When you eat out, choose restaurants with healthier menus. Have a smoothie or juice before your main meal or fill your plate with 50% salads. Bonus tip. Buy in small quantities. When you buy processed snacks, go for smaller, individual portions. Large bags mean you're more likely to overeat. Smaller packs are fewer calories, and you'll save money too. Extra tip. Remind yourself your why. When it gets hard, remind yourself why you started. Whether it's energy, weight loss, long-term health, or setting an example for your kids, your why will keep you grounded when temptations show up. So even when the world around you isn't changing, you can do it and inspire others too to quit junk. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And remember, your environment doesn't define you. Your choices do.